Yeah, let's go, baby. Let's do some biking. Let's go. Get out of the way, buddy. All right. Whew. Okay. What's up, everyone? Let's just do some exercise. Sounds good? Sounds good. You guys ever want to come mountain biking? This is a great place to live. Really great place to live. I recommend it, which is the Highland Nature Park in Middletown, New York. A lot of horses around here too. People, they come and just get them exercise. Mostly they're all retired horse. Very nice neighborhood. As you can see, this trail is pretty nice. Very chill. And you can go fast too. Left turn. Down. Go Shiro. Going back up. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Let's check out this, one of my favorite trails that I've been working on for like ever. It's very cool. It's got a couple of jumps and it's pretty fast. Yeah, let me show you guys. Here's the first jump into the second one. Left turn here, and then into another jump on the right. Here we go. And downhill. Woo. Woo. Slippery. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's nice and mellow. Jumps here. More this one. Yeah, see, it's pretty cool. Pretty mellow. Another beginners trail. It has a few jumps that I created. There's still another one, and this is the end. Whew. Oh, it's pretty cool. I don't know if you realized I came this way too. This other trail. I just came here before, so it connects. See that? Beautiful. This is my happy place. Let's go. Let's do this trail. It looks really fun. It looks really fun. It's very steep. Whew. Tight, narrow. Whew. And fast. Boy, pretty good. Jumping. Another little jumping. Okay. Down. Nice. Okay. Taking uphill. Let's pedal up. Pedal up. Come on. Let's not lose the momentum. Push. Pedal up. pedal up. Now it's coming downhill. Here we go. So jump over here. Jumping. Nice. It's a nice little trail downhill. Slide. Yes. And it keeps going. Keeps going. Hey, jumping. Yeah. Oh, sweet. Woo. Water. Oh, water. Yes. Oh, that's pretty good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. What's up, Alice? It's your dad. You see me, boy? No, you can't see me, boy. Later.